I want to bonsai this bad boy up. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I got this I believe this is let's see what the name is. This is a pine. So this is a pine ludicodermis or something like that. But yeah, I got this the other day at Home Depot. Let's get a better look. Spin around here and show y'all. Oh yeah, I think so. I like the way this thing looks. I think it's a very interesting look to it. It's got some things I could work off of. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, I think we're gonna bonsai this bad boy up and we'll see how nice we can make it. Alright, so here I got a pine tree. What kind of pine tree exactly, I'm not sure, but I got this from Home Depot. You see right there, price tag still on it. There's the name, leucodermis, Pinus leucodermis. So yeah, it's just gonna be bonsai, and yeah, I'm really digging it. I think it already has a nice little cool shapes and accentuations to it, and I just got to clean it up and start shaping it, and you know. In a year or two it'll look better. 5 years it'll look beautiful, and 15, 20 years it'll be valued, you know, extremely well, God willing. And hopefully I can keep it living for, you know, for a long time. Pass it down to my children. So yeah, this is what we're gonna work on today, and we're gonna cut this guy and clip him back. And I'm not gonna do any wiring. I'm gonna allow my cuts to shape the limbs and stuff. I'm gonna allow my cuts to do that. So I'm not gonna do any wiring on this one. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. All right. So we see there's many different angles on this thing. I can take and make leaders pretty much whichever way I want to. Yeah, I think this is gonna be an interesting piece. Question is how am I going to start this? And I honestly don't even know. I can see right now where there's areas where there's too much. So by no means am I expert with this bonsai thing, but I've seen a lot of videos and I'm going to experiment, and hopefully this tree will stay alive and we can go from there. Yeah. So we're just going to look for areas where it's too bunched up right now. So let's start over here. Right in here you see these pines, they hurt a little bit. Right in here, this guy right here, he's kind of bunched up in there. A little too close in between. I don't think we need that one. So I'm gonna cut it back right now. I think this might be in the way as well. Let's cut it back a little shorter. I'll leave a little bit on that one. It's a little bit there to be desired, as they say. Back. Just around there, so yeah. I'll clip all the pines. I want to start pulling all these pines all the way up to clean it up real good too. But I'm gonna clip first and go from there. It smells like pine heaven in here. There is no wrong cut, I've been told, so it's just whatever I feel like doing. So let's take this one leading up. Let's take him off. Take him off of there. Alright, clean up some more of that. So here I want to make this part much thicker. I want to make this trunk a lot thicker. And we get some action into it, get some movement. But I don't want to cut this. I don't want to cut that. I could cut it and make, you know, something else a leader, like this one here. Cut it and make this one a leader. And then it'll be a shorter bonsai and let it grow and mature. But I like this height here. I want to keep this height. So I'm just figuring out the best way to do this. Let's go down here. He's gonna go. This one here in the middle has got to go. Let's do separated this, cut this one back. Now I'm just moving all the leaves on this one. The tree's gonna look so much more bare after this, but you know, in another year or 6 months, hopefully we got good growth. And then we come back and clip it again and just keep training it like that. Every 6 months to a year, we keep training the tree. Trying to make it, you know, get its shape and get it to do the desired effect. And again, without wiring, you can see all the sap coming out. I got it all over my hands. This is miserable. So here we go. See, it's much more open now. See the sap coming out. Yeah, it's much more open now. Just got to figure out where I'm gonna chop at the top, which I'm gonna make the leader, and you know, and then we'll just let it go from there. I'm actually gonna repot this and put it in a much larger pot so it grows faster. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do on this one, and we'll just go from there and track the progress on that. And hopefully, in a few years, it's gonna look like a beautiful bonsai that, you know, some master created. You know, yeah. That's what we're going to go for. So just keep on cutting, take off the rest of this top, figure out how I'm going to make this. So we got a leader here. I can make this one the leader, chop it down. All right, there's your natural leader. I can make that one the leader there. What do we want to do? Can make that one a leader by cutting this one back. That'll promote down through. Let's do that. There's no wrong cuts. There's no wrong cuts. So they say. I could actually shorten this one up just a little bit. This one's gonna come down and shorten that one just a little bit. We're getting there. We are getting there. I can bend those two down. If I take this off, it takes off that top 3 nub. So now I'm stuck a little bit here, y'all. So kind of want to take this whole piece off right here. And that's these three. That'll leave me with the long one here, these ones on the sides here, and that one. And this one will be my leader then. And I'm thinking I like the sound of that. I think that's going to bring it down in height the way I want it, and I can see if I can grow it from there. So let's wop chop suey on that. Or I could just take these two off and make that the leader. Decisions. I do like the movement in this trunk here. Alright, as you see, there's a lot more bare. So what are we going to do here? I'm not going to leave the top for now. I'm not using wiring, remember. I'm not using the wiring. This is going to be some deadwood, so I'm about to go with my pliers and rip that apart there and make that some deadwood. But the rest, what to do. This will be the front. I like this as the front. That'll come down here. You can bring that one down here. Put this one up. You can take that one up. Take this one off. I think that's it. So now's my new leader. As of now, and then we'll see how the other ones look like. Let me get the pliers real quick and we'll make this into some deadwood. So I got my pliers here, so let's do... Let's see if we can rip it off from there first. So, got my channel locks here. I'm ripping it off instead of cutting it off because it makes it look more natural. So that's the whole purpose in that. Am I hurting the tree? Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be? It's unfortunate, but the pain comes progress, or something like that. There we go. Okay guys, here it is. You see it's a lot more bare now, but there's potential there. I got some spots where I did, some deadwood carving. I want to see how that looks. Only half of it there, only half of it here, full thing on there. But yeah, this is going to be it. Like I said, I'm going to put it in a way bigger pot. It's going to be in a 5-gallon pot, so hopefully it'll grow a lot faster. And then I'll be able to do more updates on trimming it and cutting it and watching it grow. So yeah, this is where we're at now. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Again, I'm not wiring it. I'm going to let the branches grow back and just keep clipping as they go to shape it and train this tree to do what I wanted to do. That's going to be the goal on this one. We'll see. Hopefully I can keep it alive and it'll stay a beautiful tree that I can pass down to my kids, when I finally go, and it'll be worth a lot of money. That's the whole idea behind it. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah. So this one's good. It's going to go back outside. I'll repot this probably in a day or two. But I'll repot it, put it in a bigger pot, fresh soil and such. So yeah. All right. Hey, let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Do you like the bonsai? Do you think it'll turn out good? Do you think it's even going to survive like this? Did I clip it too much? Was I going for the wrong shape maybe, or did a little too early on the deadwood? I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Smash the like or the dislike if you don't like it. That's okay too. I respect all opinions, and yeah, just let me know what you think.